channel. Today we've got a pirate pinata. Can you see us do this? There's only one way to open up a Jake and Neverland's pirate pinata. Chop it with your Jake and Neverland's pirate sword.
Happy Toy Channel.
What's inside? Is there treasure?
There, I got a surprise. It's Sleeping Jake with his pajamas on.
Are those his Jake pajamas? Yeah. They're so cute.
Okay, let's see what's else. Okay, look, I found
treasure!
It's a golden necklace. Pirate treasure.
Awesome. Ooh, another surprise egg.
It's a Lego. And it's Peter Pan.
Whoa, Lego Duplo Peter Pan. Peter, you're back. I wonder if he's going to help us defeat that sneaky snook Captain Hook. Oh no, it's TikTok Croc Egg.
Let's see.
Whoa, you're a good surprise egg guesser. It's Scully! Scully, want a cracker? Oh no, I forgot the crackers. Crackers, mateys. Oh, is that what Scully says? Crackers. Whoa.
What's inside of here? Chocolate!
Chocolate Minnie Mouse corns?
Yeah.
Can I see that? Can I show the kids? Can I show the kids real quick?
Yeah,
can I show the kids?
Don't eat it. No! Hey!
You want to share? Is there more in there? Can I see it real quick? Is your mouth full of chocolate? Oh, a cannon! Ah! Don't shoot me with TikTok Croc cannon!
Bad guy!
Yes! My friend Captain Hook, Lego Duplo Captain Hook. Does he have a hook on his hand?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
I wonder if I can take off his hook.
You better not take his hook off, then he won't have any hook. That would be sad. Then he'd be Captain No Hand. I like his hat. So awesome. You know Captain Hook by his hat. Oh, surprise egg! What do you think it is?
I knew it was Jake.
Another Jake? Duplo Jake. That was a good surprise egg. Izzy!
Izzy.
And she's got her pixie dust. This Izzy we got at Disneyland. The rest of these we found at Toys R Us. Whoa! Captain Hook! This one came in the Disneyland set too. Which one is better? Duplo Captain Hook or the other Captain Hook?
I like this Captain Hook because look at his mouth. It's messed up.
Treasure! Can I see that?
No, you
Can I see that?
Kids.
Please?
No.
It's mine! The treasure is mine! Oh, okay.
Scully!
Scully! Oh, Scully found my treasure! Yes, thank you! Got the treasure! Oh no, Scully fell over! Both of the Scullys fell over! Gold doubloons! Is it chocolate? Try to bite it. Tricked ya! I need that so we can go buy groceries from the pirate store later. Oh, Zoe thought that was gross. She's like, ew, don't put treasure in your mouth. Can you see the kids?
No, I can't see their faces.
What? Try harder. Maybe you gotta turn it around. Oh, they're so far away now. Can you see the kids giving this video a big thumbs up?
Yes.
Yeah, the kids are giving the video a big thumbs up. Okay, kids, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Let us know who your favorite character is from Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Is it Captain Jake?
Yeah.
Let's show him Captain Jake. He's so cool. Look, his awesome sword. Do you like Captain Jake? Do you like Peter Pan? Do you like Scully, Cubby, Captain Hook, Sharky, and Bones? Or do you just love Treasure?
You said the Bones.
I said Bones, you crazy kid.
No, you said the Bones.
Hey, give me back my treasure necklace.
No, it's
Okay, kids, thanks for watching Epic Toy Channel.
Bye! Yeah, 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 yeah,
Epic Toy Channel.